お前はもう死んでいる。
Good morning, world. Oh, good morning, Miss Mia. It's shower time, so let's go and give you a shower. Okay, what shall we do? Bubblegum. Okay, just a sec. Okay, boom. And you can have leaf shampoo. School. Okay, let's go. I had a good sleep last night. Oh, wait, I have my clothes on. I don't have my clothes on, I mean. Okay, I need to get my Anaheim outfit on. Okay, here we are. Come on, Miss Mia. I'm sure you're not hungry now. And you can have a drink when you get to school to keep hydrated. Miss Mia, you need to be in the front. Okay, that was weird. Come on, Mia. Miss Mia. Let's just reverse now. I can put you in the front. Okay, let's go. I'm a super fast rider. Okay, we are going into town. Let's go up. Okay. You're sick? Oh no. You're sick and thirsty. You'll get a drink when you go to school. We need to make sure you're not sick. Like, please don't say someone's in there. Oh, it won't take long for that to heal. Okay, wow, nice light. Yes. Okay, come on, Miss Me. You need to heal. I'm not waiting here all day. Okay, you're finally done. Okay, let's go to the town. Where? Okay, let's go. Oh, you're in the back. Okay. Oof, I just knocked into that one post. At least my car didn't fall over. That would have been the worst. Okay, you're at school. Okay, you want a drink? Okay, here, Miss Mia. Drink up. Okay, come on. I'll get on you while you do this. Okay, woohoo! That's fun. Nice new trick. Nice. This is super fun. Okay, now we need to go to the shop. Come on, Miss Mia, get in the car. Let's go. We'll go this way, it's a shortcut. You know, I could have just crossed the bridge over here. Here we are. Park up. Oh, come on. It's always super hard to park up. Okay, come on. We're all parked up now, Miss Mia. Come on, let's go. What should we buy? Hi, Dustin. Okay, Soda. Okay, we can have blueberry pie for dinner tonight. We can have a bunch of watermelon. We don't need water, we got it at home. Apples. You can have a drink after, Miss Mia. Okay, you can have one after we've shopped. You don't need to, as long as we paid. Oh, hey, hi, Justin. Yeah, that's all the food. I'm just going to feed Miss Mia, thanks. Okay, let's go, Miss Mia. You've been a really good girl today. Except for when you were being a bit bossy. Okay, oh. I hate how I always run into something. Should I go that way or this way? This way. Oh no!